Cookie Monster.
Hello, Fizzy. How are you?
I'm great. There's someone I would like to introduce you to.
Who is that, Fizzy?
Look behind you. It's another Cookie Monster.
Oh, does he eat cookies?
He eats Play-Doh.
Oh, I've got to see this.
Hello everyone! Today we have two Cookie Monsters. And this Cookie Monster right here is going to eat Play-Doh. And not just any Play-Doh. We're making a Play-Doh pizza. And we're putting all the letters of the alphabet on our pizza. Hey, that says FTS. Just like Fizzy Toy Show. Be sure to check out our other channel, Fizzy Toy Show, for more Fizzy fun. Let's make some pizza. We have green Play-Doh, white Play-Doh, yellow Play-Doh, tan Play-Doh, and red Play-Doh. We also have this for making mozzarella cheese. We can make our toppings and serve our pizza on here. We have a takeout box to put our pizza in, and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of different toys to help us make our pizza. Let's make the crust. We'll use our tan Play-Doh. Let's cut it out. Look, there are more toppings on here. We now have a circle we can put in our pan, and let's roll more pizza crust. We need some red pizza sauce. Let's cut a big circle. Let's put our sauce in. Here's our pizza with its sauce. We need some mozzarella cheese. We'll use the white for the cheese. Let's put some white Play-Doh in here. Let's squeeze some cheese on there. Let's spread out our cheese. It's time for some toppings. Let's make a white onion. Here's a red tomato. Let's make green broccoli and a yellow mushroom. We need green Play-Doh for our broccoli. Here's our broccoli. Yummy, yummy. And let's use yellow for our mushroom. Let's smush it down. Smush, smush, smush. Here's our mushroom. Time to put it on the pizza.
Cookie hungry, Cookie hungry.
Uh-oh, Cookie's hungry, and our pizza will not be ready until we have the alphabet on it. So let's make him some other snacks before we make the alphabet. Let's make some bacon. Here's our bacon. Let's make a banana. Here's a banana. And let's make a green apple for Cookie. Here's the apple. It's time to feed Cookie Monster. And then we'll make the alphabet pizza.
Yummy, more.
Okay, Cookie, here comes a banana.
Yummy, more please.
Okay, Cookie, here's a piece of bacon.
Ah, delicious.
Let's use this teal Play-Doh to make some letters. Here are all the letters of the alphabet. Let's start with A. A. Apple. B. Bath. C. Cat. D. Dog. E. Egg. F. Fizzy. G. Grapes. H. Happy. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. Let's make more letters. So far we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. What comes next? I. Igloo. J. Joy. K. Kind. L. Laugh. M. Monkey. N. Nice. O. Octagon. I go on the pizza. J. K. L. M. N. O. What comes after the letter O? P. Perfect. Q. Question. R. Rainbow. S. Silly. T. Tiger. U. Under. V. Violin. W. Wish. X. X-ray. Y. Yo-yo. And Z. Zebra. Time to finish putting the letters on our pizza. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. And Z. Now we have our alphabet pizza. It's time to cut our pizza so we can feed it to Cookie Monster. Okay, Cookie Monster, here's your first piece of pizza. Enjoy!
Delicious. Another piece, please.
Okay, Cookie Monster, open wide.
Ah!
Here you go.
Yummy. Delicious. Delicious. Cookie Monster is full. Can Cookie Monster take the rest of the pizza home to share with friends?
Yes, of course, Cookie Monster. That's a great idea. We have our box right here, and we can put our pizza in here for you to take home and share with your friends. Now you're ready to go. Ooh!